Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
The last one is a new bag. Yeah, well, mainly because you know that you flush spend more on radios than the customer bag. No, because it's podcast. Right. Any bag. I mean, this could be for female hands.
What in the hot?
There you go. Okay, very good. Well, I've fallen down a deep dark hole of Laura and Miss House.
Oh man, that f***ing moron just rammed the shit out of this silver truck. Oh, now he's driving the f*** off.
Follow.
I can't, goddamn it, I
Oh,
can't.
he knocked off the license plate a little. Flash your light or honk at him.
Really, Butternuts?
Hey! Stop. You hit that truck!
You really gonna f***ing hit and run like that, dude? I saw that guy's truck f***ing jostle. His whole ass truck jostled.
You hit his
Go
car!
fuck back and leave your insurance information. Don't be an asshole. Go the dude, really? How about you let him decide that?
5K.
You jostled his whole ass truck.
949.
5KHN 949. I have a dash cam, dude. I'm gonna f***ing report you.
It doesn't
It
matter!
doesn't matter.
You hit his car!
You hit his f***ing car. Go leave your insurance information on his window at least. Go leave your f***ing information. I'm gonna report you, dude. I got a dash cam. Have fun with your f***ing ticket, dumb.
She must have been down there for at least 45 minutes, based on when the bus had stopped. She said at least 4 passengers seated near the front of the bus recalled hearing a loud noise like someone singing frantically.
I don't know at all.
Critical patient records have been lost.
Stop.
In the absence of dental
Should
information,
have probably left.
Jen knew that any shoulders could prove helpful, since she could match the numbers to hospital records.
I said no one has to know what we do. His hands are in my hair, his clothes are in my room.
Are you okay?
Before they apply, ZipRecruiter's invite to apply lets you pick favorites from the top candidates. And right now, you can try it free at ZipRecruiter.com/out. Just post the job on ZipRecruiter. They send you the most qualified people. Then you easily review candidates and invite them to
Charleston, which, we're still waiting for a lot of news on that front.
Yeah, whether a deal will ever be struck, whether indeed can see the infrastructure deal tied in to that of the softer infrastructure deal as it's known at Carroll's. Yeah. Listen, it's, the common theme...
Ay, 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 ay. Stupid. Bro, ¿qué pasó?
¡Cabrón! Up north, in South Carolina, you get cold too, right?
Yeah, it gets pretty cold. I mean, it gets in like the 30s.
Yeah.
In 2 miles, keep left onto Interstate 4 West.
And like you see, we got a bunch of idiots down here, drivers.
Oh shit, the gas is on fire. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.